one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? My ogbonge people know as I dey drive my bicycle, they go for Facebook. Now I see this video, my people. Like this one shock me, oh. This one shockalize me. I beg my darling people, if una wan marry, more una dey look the man who una dey marry. I beg. I use God to beg una. More una dey look man before una marry. My people, just see wetin Percy husband, Percy man do to a wife, do to a woman. As he take disfigure the woman face, the woman not be in bed before. If you see the woman, and she be like in bed side. Hi. Wow, my people. This one shock me, oh. This one shock me. Like, some men are wicked. Some men are really wicked, my people. This one shockalize me 10 times. Like, my mouth dey heavy me to even come talk this topic. Even man, even verse put, my people. This man a policeman. This woman say in dey with am so beat. That is why I dey always dey tell our women, before you marry man, that dating alone, you don't see and say na man wey dey beat woman. I beg, run for your life. I beg, run for your life. No just wait. No wait. Make the man fair do wetin you want to do before you go run. No, just run. I beg. You need to see the way this man take beat. Doesn't he finish the woman? Now gone. He even take shoot and when the woman mat be like this. So the woman be like imbe. Now not the way imbe they be where they talk. Spit go they come out. And so the woman can't be. More now listen to what this guy even talk.
Watch for Facebook, I think for BBC Igbo page, you understand? And the thing they very touchy and annoying, you understand? Now I say, man, make I follow, make I can't drop my own here, you understand? See, girls, especially if you date relationship, and you see say the guy where you date, now beast, run. If you dey say, man, he go change one day, he go kill you one day. And they try you, they tell you. You see character. Character is just like hair. If you barber, it go grow again. You know they change. You just be like, say, man, you won't stop person when they smoke. Say, me just stop cigar, me not they smoke again. How come? It is easy. You know, easy. You understand? If you they make relationship and you say the relationship is not working well, see, brother, sister, find your way to what they call this domestic violence and all this bullshit, all this rubbish. You understand? Okay, see this video one before you and I just watch the video, the thing I would cry inside me. I just try to hold myself, do this video, and I'm going to talk against Facebook. You understand? And the guy where they date on a policeman, you understand? Because of one or two, or whatever. Go shoot the girl, deep shade the girl like this, turn the girl to another thing. People see the way she they talk, say she draw spit inside. Oh, the name of now my boyfriend, now my girlfriend. See, he might tell you love. Love now poverty. We you don't get money. They say I love you. Love the parentage.
Okay.
Love the train picking.
Let me tell them, my brother.
The video waiting say when money enter love is sweet. Now the truth you all tell you so when money enter love now it is sweet. Don't be when money no day. I love you. Wow. Because many of them don't know the word of I love you. You still have to tell girls, say open your legs, sleep with her, do some kind of thing I be love. Can you imagine what this guy told this beautiful lady to in the name of that my boyfriend?
She never be like this.
And your boyfriend are beast. Wrong. She not good. Your man not go change.
He not go change.
Because hair for hair. You know this talk to grow.
Understand.
That's what character be. Character be like hair. If you baba, you go grow again. Who get good character, get good character. Who get bad character, get bad character. Thank you, I'm out of here. Watch the video.
You can't go to someone you say you love, to someone you want to get married to.
You know if you talk
I didn't understand of the gun. I believe it's also.
Well, not the way he better they talk now. So the woman can't say they talk now. That is husband. Now he beats a woman like this. Husband.
Shoot me here, and that would have been the end of me. I look at my phone, my screensaver. I saw what I look like before now and what I am right now. For all thanks to God. All thanks to God.
Since did this world, oh, my people, oh.
October 1st, we had the program in church. So after service, I went back home when I was living with my fiancé.
Great man.
His name is Eze Awansova. There was no issue. We don't have fights. I saw him off and he went. But later in the evening, his pastor called me that he would love to see me. I said, okay. So he
when
came
he never
around
do,
to check me.
when he face
Took me
never
to
do
his
like
office. The pastor now told him to say, you should say what he told him. And I said, he's not interested, I don't want the relationship anymore. I said, it's fine. If he says he's not interested, no problem. I cannot force a man to get married to me. This person I said, okay. Yeah, I was saying because he has traveled as far as to go and get the marriage list. My family knows him. And where I was saying, I've already moved my things because I'm supposed to get married December. I cannot go back to that city because I've left the house that I'll need to get another apartment. So I went to a friend of mine house in Ketu. On the 8th, I was actually going to look for an apartment. So on my way coming to Oga, it's calling that he wants to see me. I said, when? He said I should come around Allen. So I went. When I got there, we sat down. We took one bottle of drink. So after then, and I said the reason why he called me that he wants to tell me that I should stop telling people that he's not more interested. And I said, okay, no problem. Well, before we sat down, he was carrying his rifle. It was half dressed. He was carrying the rifle. So before we sat down, he removed the magazine from the gun, placed on the table. So I stood up. He took the magazine from the table, shook it in the gun, paid for the drink. So while we were now going, I was 2 steps ahead of him. The call of the agents came in. So I was receiving the call when I had him cock the gun. So I looked like while the cocking of the gun. So I just turned my side. That was when the bullets went in and came out. I lost consciousness. Sorry.
This man finished the woman.
I saw L. They had to slit my throat for them to fix in a fight.
Oh.
So I could able to lie down.
I don't know whether you see go allow this kind of video. The way
they did the first surgery.
The way the bullet when they remove for her neck.
After a week,
the man had
they did another surgery because the nurse made a mistake.
My people, this one shocked me. Before you marry man, look the man, oh, I beg. Look the man. Look the man, you not go make mistake, oh. This one a beast, oh. This one a beast. Very, as in, I fear I will not fear this man, oh, my people. I beg, more than the look man before una marry, oh. He. You know, person your husband, you do this kind of thing to your wife. Policeman. May person they fear not to marry policeman. Hey, my darling people, anything you wanna think about this video, Mona leave una comment, oh. This one shock me, oh. This one shock talize me, oh.